All right, we are breaking 2 boxes of 2015 Bowman Chrome Baseball. Picked by Rip and Flip, pulled by me, picked by him. Let's see if we can get some big hits out of here. All right, factory sealed, just pulled from the back. Let's get started. And Kev, I'll get your order right after this. We'll get that. That'll be pulled for me so we can just open it. Hernandez, Pujols, Ross. First auto right there, Akil Morris. Forrest Wall. Series next, Javier Baez. That's a die cut right there, Javier Baez. Nice card there. Mitch Keller for the Buccos. That's Ryan Howard and Kendrys Morales. 5 hits in every box. Yep. 5 hits in every box. Here feels like a thick pack here. Let's see what we can get here. Nice die cut Javier Baez right there. Koji Rahara, Cargo, Jung Ho Gong. Auto right there, Brett Graves for the Athletics. Brett Graves. Alex Gonzalez, Garrison Smith, Wendell. D. Gordon right there. Brandon Finnegan and Juan L. Largus. All right. Nothing there. That was our first pack without a hit. But here's another thick pack coming. I think we might have a nice one here. Let's see what we can pull. Like a mini right here. Let's see, we got Tyler Kolek. Mini card. That's pretty cool. First Bowman right there, Justin Steele. Polanco. Byron Buxton on the little mini right there. Byron Buxton, cool card, nice player for the Twins. Die cut right there, die cut Jock Peterson. Nice card right there, die cut Jock Peterson of the Dodgers. Jamison Tyon right there, another good young Pirates pitcher on the mini. Nice cards here, a lot of nice rookies, a lot of nice young players. 2 nice die cuts already. Jock Peterson. I'll get out those refractors. Yeah, I missed that one. There's a Kendrick. I'll get those out for you, bud. I'll make sure from here on out, no problem. There's our Chris Bryant. Auto right there. Sergio Alcantara for the Diamondbacks. There's our Delton Bentons for the Yankees. I'll go through that. I see which one. I see that one poking out. Let's make sure I didn't miss any. Let me get that gold out for you guys. $34 out of 50, Paulo Orlando. Paulo Orlando for the Royals. There we are. There we are. I'll have my eyes open for that. Let me just check this real quick. I'll tell you in 1 second. Let me get through this and I'll let you know, Carlos. Nice auto right there, Joe Wendell for the A's. Make sure I don't miss any. Next pack right here. Auto right there, Andres Braciano for the Tigers. Not Harvey on the back end. Our mini right there, Jose Barrios for the Twins. I've seen him a few times. Nice player. There's our first one. You got Odell Herrera out of 150. Yeah, thanks for pointing that out, guys. I don't want to breeze through. If you guys want to see those refractors, if you guys want to see the color refractors, let me know. Sometimes I breeze through these. I'm just missing them. No problem pointing that out for you guys. Stopping. Raul Mondesi out of 250. Joey Gallo on the mini right there. Die cut right there, Tyjon Walker for the Mariners. Nice 3 in a row right there. All right, last pack of this box. Then we're going to clear it up and get into box number 2. Liriano, Preston Tucker, Riley, Kyle Schwarber, mini right there. Nice slugger for the Cubbies. In the first few, AJ Cole. I'll go through and get that. There's our first right there. Simone Mercedes. Those aren't numbered. Okay, I just want to make sure. I'll go through there and just make sure. When I go through these, I'll put these over here and I'll catch that green one for you. Not in that one. First stack? Okay. I'm going to get these over here just in case I missed any. Yeah, I got it. Miss anything else? Don't want to miss anything. I think I got everything. Alex Blandino right there. Out of 99, Alex Blandino. Pull that right there. I think I got everything, Rip and Flip, right? I know what I'm looking for in this second one. Those right there. Box number 2. If not, after I'm done, I'll post, or after I go through, I'll do a double check real quick after I'm through again, just to make sure. Yeah, solid color. That's what I'll be looking for. And they're nice, too. I'm glad you made me stop. They're nice cards, so you don't want to miss those. Box number 2. Nice auto right here. Prime Positions, DJ Peterson. Out of 99, DJ Peterson. I hope so. I've been having good luck. Maybe I can get you some really nice luck. Right here, die cut Mike Trout. Die cut Trout, him and Peterson. The nice die cuts right there. I think I got everything in that one. Go pack number 2. Yeah, I'd love to see. I pulled a Brian auto, not in this, but and something else a few days ago. Yeah, I was pretty happy, obviously. Auto right there, Victor Garrettini for the Cubbies. Out of 499. Victor Garantini out of 499. They're cool looking. They definitely stood out. I know I wasn't going to miss that one. Yeah, they're pretty cool. What was that numbered out of, that prime position? Numbered out of 99. Auto right there, Drew Doush for the Orioles. It does look like a number on there, Drew Doush. Haven't missed any refractors yet. I don't think so. Ah, you're getting close. You're getting close. Julio Urias on the mini. I got a black eye. I got hit with a baseball or something right there. Our refractor right here out of 99, Jared Weaver. Nice card right there. Green refractor, Jared Weaver. Keep ripping these packs. Let's see if we get another big hit in here. Nice big card pull out of here. Tyler Glass now. Speak of the devil, we've been talking about him all day. Out of 150. Our mini right there, Hunter Harvey. Our die cut Blake Swihart. Those are not numbered, just want to check. All right, keep going. Good pack so far. These are some cool cards. I really like these. Then we got another break coming up, so stick around, guys. Steven Martz on the mini right there for the Mets. Mini, I don't know what you want to call it. It is a mini. Gonna go to our second stack right here. Yeah, I've been seeing a lot of that kid too, Derek Holland. Is he Rangers, right? In this stack? Oh, damn. $4.99. Yeah, I guess it is. My God, I am just embarrassing myself this pack. I do apologize. I'm going to catch these. Jorge Soler. Nice auto. There's some redemption right there. Jorge Soler out of 99. Nice auto. Nice player. Jorge Soler. Yeah, that's a nice one right there. Jacob deGrom on the die cut right there. Jacob deGrom, nice card right there. Really nice die. You're pulling some nice die cut players right there. Thought I had one there. Auto right there, Austin Voth. Nice player there, Alan Hansen. Chichi Gonzalez. I don't think I missed any there. I'm going to keep going. Thick pack here. Feels a little thicker than the other ones. Let's see if we can pull something out of here. Knew I had one in there. Jameson Taillon. Knew I had one. Out of $4.99. So I flipped back. I knew I caught it. I knew I missed one going through there. So there we are. I'm getting better at this, spotting these. Carlos Correa on the mini. Stick there. Robinson Cano right here. Out of 250, Robinson Cano. Yeah, maybe a low number though. Jake Thompson right there. Is that not numbered? Jake Thompson. Felix Jorge. Those aren't numbered, are they? No. Yeah. Like I said, I was hoping I could get a Bryant for. We got some nice ones in there, though. Some nice low ones. Aaron Judge right there on the mini. Hunter Dozier on the die cut out of 99 for the Royals. 3 green auto. Okay, yeah. Christian Yelich on the die cut. Don't think I missed any right here. I'm going to give myself a little bit more room for this last pack. See if we can get anything else out of here. Maybe a low number. Maybe something. I don't know. We'll just hope. See if we can get anything else out of here. On the mini, Robert Stevenson for the Reds. See if I missed any in here. I don't think so. Yep, we got one on the back end. There we are. Last low number. K-Rod, Francisco Rodriguez out of 499. Is that the one you were talking about? I think I got everyone. I'll go through this again, and I'll make sure I separate those whenever I pack them. Okay. Just so we know. All right, that was 2 good ones. Thanks for ripping me through that rip and flip. That was pretty cool. I appreciate it, bud.